Guys, we are going to see the Olympic Stadium. And there's a lot of people going. And this is the Olympic Stadium. So guys, this is the Olympic Stadium here in Berlin, and we're going to visit that Olympic Stadium. So we are going now. This is the entrance, going there. Everyone is going there, and it's inside. I don't know why it's like in the forest. We are arrived in our destination, and we are here in the Olympic Stadium here in Berlin. And you can see it there. That's the Olympic Stadium here in Berlin. That's the Olympic Stadium here in Germany. Hello guys, today we are going to visit the Olympic Stadium here in Berlin. In my back, it's the Olympic Stadium of Berlin. A lot of people going there. And they will going to visit also, and me and us, we are going also. That's the Olympic Stadium here in Berlin. Yeah, it's a very big stadium. Yeah. Okay, Sherry here, taking a picture here. Sherry here, take and then take click this one, take the picture. Okay, we are going inside. And the entrance is there, and this is the front view of the Stadium Olympics. Okay. Inside. And there's a lot of people. There's a lot of people today. And that's the stadium. That's the stadium. We will going to see this stadium Berlin. And then there a lot of people. That's the price to get in. Yeah. Already prepared. Perfect. We have this ticket and we are going inside. And this is it. And then there you go. And this is the map of the stadium. And then we are going now. And there's also a bear there. Just keep it, Mosheri, to play.
Papa, can you put these teddy bear, please?
Yeah.
Come on, Jacob. Your turn. No, please.
So we are here inside and we will see the stadium, the Olympic Stadium. And then we will see what's the inside of this stadium.
All of this, see?
That's the map.
It's all the
and the plan of the stadium, and it's a big space inside. Okay, let's go.
Looks like.
So there you go. We get inside.
It's old already.
How old is this stadium?
Well,
Hundreds?
80 years old or something like this.
And that's
Since,
the outside.
Second World War.
The Olympic Stadium Gallery. This is the outside of the stadium. Ganito yung mukha niya. Mitsura. Ganyan. So, we are now getting in the stadium. And that's the stadium. Guys, ganito yung stadium ng Olympic Stadium ng Berlin. Yan. Ganito yung seat. Shall I take my picture here?
I don't know, je sais pas. It's not. Ah, en bas. Okay, go.
So guys, we are allowed to walk in this side and then film the Olympic Stadium. This is the roof, yes. This is the roof of the stadium, and they're hitting the grass. And then we go down, then walk in the middle.
I just walk here around.
I'll go down first. Yes. You see, guys. And then we go there in the middle. And then we walk here. Let's go. And that's the when they are doing the sports and they are waving their hands from there, from the beginning and then till the end part.
So now they use it basically for football.
Yes.
Before.
Number. So guys, eto yung stadium ng Olympic Stadium ng Berlin. Ang ganda, sobrang laki.
And you have to go up. See, it's closed.
They also sit here in this upper part.
You see, you go back and forth.
Yeah.
I don't know what's the use of No, I'm fed up. Okay, thank you.
So guys, there you go.
See, they come back. Hello, guys.
So, ayan. This is the stadium here in Berlin, and then we're going up there and we will walk. Yan ang roof ng ng stadium, and dito yung mga seats. Thousands of seats niya, guys. Super laki-laki. So, we are now going in another side because it's close in the benches there. It's just a limit. And then now we are going the other side to see other side also. And then this is the...
Go more also.
So we are going up. And then this is also the other side. You see the plan of this stadium. Up also so that you can see very well the stadium from here to here. We're going up. We are going up so that we can see all the view.
Okay.
It's also slidey here because it's frozen. The floor is frozen. Look, it's frozen. That one is a frozen one. And then, yun na guys. Okay. We are walking this side and then we go to the other side. We will go there and we will go down. There's a lot of people down there.
Ah, bah, voir c'est quoi les cheveux là. Ah, we can go to the other side back there.
So here. So guys, nalibot na natin ang buong seat ng stadium. Then pupunta tayo doon sa baba. And after that, we are going to take a lot of pictures down. You see the seat. Side there's a swimming pool. And this pool is for diving and that one is for swimming. This is the outside of the stadium. We are again outside and then we go back there. And there's some like this things. So we go now. Section 2 tower left. Okay. I'll show you guys that one. This is the main entrance before. So we are in the other side.
Oh, nice, we go up there.
No, it's not allowed. That's the other side of the stadium and we will go there.
They can just do use it as a multi-sports field. But
That's the bell tower there. The highest one. It's fucking. The horse tamers. I don't know what's the horse tamers. Ito siya guys. So 1936. Ito siya ngayon. Horse tamers. That's the horse tamer. They call this horse tamer. It's made up of stone. And this one. It's very old. So guys, this is the famous so we are here in front of this stadium, and that one is when the game start, the Olympic. They will put a fire here and then they will start the game. You see guys how beautiful the stadium. This is in front of the stadium, and this is the other entrance, and I think this is the main entrance, and you can see all the view here. So there you go, and then all the seats here. They warm all the grass here is for the grass to grow. Okay guys, we are done. I don't know who's this. Theodore Lewald and Carl Diem. And then this one, I don't know who's this. Then we will film again and then we go. There you go. We are done. We go now. We're done visiting the stadium, guys, and we are going. Ayan, dito yung ikuan dito. Is pwede siyang gagalawin back and forth. Ayan. Yung structure ng ano ng stadium. Ganyan yung shape. And then dito ang ano tower. Guys, we're going back and this is the exit. So guys, we have this Olympic bell and I'll show you where is the Olympic bell. It's here in front of us, this one. This is the huge Olympic bell. It's a very big bell and it signs here like that.
Do it high quality because it's already broken.
Yeah,
Here they hide the sign a little bit.
the sign of Nazi. It's a military sign of Nazi of Stalin.
No, but sa akin na ba?
Hitler. Okay. And there's a hole here, yes. Okay. We are done, guys, and we are going home now. We're going back to our hotel, or we will visit some place again. So this is it. This is the end of our tour here in the stadium of Olympic Stadium of Berlin. You can see there. There you go. It's finished. Bye. Guys, we are done visiting the Olympic Stadium, and now we are going back in the place where we are going to visit another one. And then I hope you enjoy and watch the video.